Guys, please. I'm here. I'm here. You see, guys, that is I'm here na. Ayan. Guys, I'm here naman mga guys. It's also I have friend Ethiopia. That's why. See? You see my hand and cover. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. You see? Ayan. Ayan mga guys. I'm here in Almira with my Sadiq. My Sadiq. This one, you see? Adik sama TikTok mga guys. That's why. Hassle na, habibi.